bottles of water. So I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see. So just make sure that when you come down to there, you are not rounding. So we don't want to be in a Quasimodo relax. So a good little tip there is to keep that chin lifted, and that helps keeps the back straight. So I'm going to start to speed it up a little bit, just because I want to get more burn. Justify my glass of wine later. Like I said, the first minute is usually the easiest one, and then it starts. So what are we on? First minute, push up. So 5 minutes today, we'll do 5 minutes on the weekend. Just a little bit of movement every single day. We're only through the first week of our lockdown, so people are still enjoying being at home. But when it comes to maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 months, these little 5 minutes are just going to get that body moving, the blood flowing, the heart pumping. So I'm starting to feel it in my legs, and the little triceps are kicking in. So also what I've just noticed myself doing is the bum gets a bit higher to make it easier. So we want to keep that bum down if you can. Like I said, if doing both of them is too much, just do the legs. So just do squats, and then just do arms. And then when one burns, you just keep changing. There's no wrong or right with these. Just do whatever suits your body. Let's say if you've got any knee issues, then maybe your squats just want to be really low, rather than, what are we on? So it's just coming up to halfway. This doesn't feel as bad as the ones I've done earlier in the week, but it is getting the heart rate up, and that's all I'm after, rather than sitting on my arse all day, especially with all the videos we're trying to edit. Just need to get the muscles going. So we are past halfway. Up, bum down. So squeeze your thighs on the way up. Just pay attention to your knees, that you don't lock out your knee joints when you come up. So keep those quads firing up. So we've got just over a minute and a half, and I'm going to try and speed it up a little bit without compromising my form. Just want to get a little bit of burn into the body. So, a minute and 20 seconds left. My legs are starting to quiver. A minute, 10 seconds. Oh, starting to feel it. My bum's getting high. Bum down. So we've got the last minute. Oh, we can do it. Push arms up. Push. Nearly there. You guys can do this. It's only 40 seconds, but you couldn't even drink a glass of wine in that time. So, on the last 30 seconds, I'm going to push, push. 40 seconds. Go. Oh. 15. Using my glasses.